and he was like, "Oh, we'll wait till Friday."
Oh my gosh, you didn't.
Oh my gosh, I did. She's so clueless.
No, I haven't.
Well, yeah, you can use that. Are you lying to me right now?
Are you?
It's a Lamborghini.
Are you serious? How do you, where is it?
Well, you can't pull a car in the house.
Is it here, really? Can I go look?
I would.
Come on, can I go look?
Wow.
Oh my god.
Hey, you beat me up.
It really is out there. Oh, are you serious? Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Holy crap, I like that. That's pretty. Is she crying?
Thank you.
She's crying.
You're welcome.
I don't even know how to.
I don't even know if that key goes to it. I would check that if I were you.
How did you get this on Christmas?
I don't know. Check it out.
It's so sexy.
My feet are sticking.
I got a flashlight.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you. I don't know what to do.
I'd put your foot on the brake and push the button.
That's what that goes for, huh, Jason?